Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how I tie this luxury turban, and surprise, I sew this dress I'm wearing here too. And I'm going to show you the dress that I DIY. I am not a professional, but I do so. It's just my thing that I do since I was little, pretty much. I took years off. Once in a while I go to my sewing machine, I just do little sewing there, here and there, but recently I've been sewing quite a lot. Here we go. Let me know if you want to see how I sewed this dress. I did recorded it on the comment below. Now let's move on to the turban. I have my sock cap on, and we'll be using my infinity scarf to set the tone of my turban. Here is a turban. It's a luxury type. It has two sections to it, the cap and the tail that you wrap around. You put the cap on like so. Grab the tail, ensuring the bead side are on the outer part of the tail, and start wrapping it around your head until the end. Tuck that end in. When done with the tail, it's time to fix the cap part. Tuck the excess in like so. This is how easy it is. This is the time to fix the part that you need to fix. Like I like to fix the front of mine. And that's it. And wait for the surprise. If you're my subscriber already and you're still watching this video, I have a surprise for you. The turban that I'm wearing, I have 3 colors to give away. I have the brown one, I have the black one, and I have the beige one. To enter for this giveaway, I need you to tell me which color you want out of the 3 colors, and the colors again are black, beige, and brown. Let me know which color you want. 2, let me know how you're gonna wear it. Leave that on the comment box below. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this easy turban tutorial. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and be part of my friends. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye bye. XOXO. Bye. Mwah.